Investing in Xtrend Speed, a platform for trading and investment services, involves these steps. Register and open an account. Sign up on the Xtrend Speed platform. Follow the account opening procedures, including providing necessary personal details and documents for verification. Learn and research. Educate yourself about the financial products available for trading on Xtrend Speed. Understand various trading options, financial instruments, risk management, and market analysis. Deposit funds. After the account is verified, deposit funds into your Xtrend Speed account. This can usually be done through bank transfers, credit or debit cards, or other accepted payment methods. Start trading. Use the available tools and instruments to start trading. Xtrend Speed offers various trading options such as forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Risk management and strategy. Consider implementing risk management strategies and adhere to your trading plan. Set stop loss and take profit levels and diversify your investment portfolio. Continuous learning and monitoring. Stay informed about market news, trends, and economic events. Continuously learn and adapt to improve your trading decisions. Regularly monitor your trades and portfolio. Consult a financial advisor. Consult a financial advisor if you're new to trading or investing. Seeking expert advice can help you make informed decisions aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance.